Okay, today class we're going to talk about the lateral and total surface area of triangular prisms. Okay, as a reminder, prisms have two bases. They have two parallel bases. Okay. Now, and also prisms are named by the shape of their bases. So I'm going to write there here on the outside. Prisms are named by the shape of their base. So we're talking about triangular prisms. The shape of the base of the prism is going to be a triangle. Okay. All right, so let's flip over on the inside here. Here we have a triangular prism. Okay, I always told you when we started with the rectangular prisms yesterday to always shade in the bases. Okay, so you have your yellow figure on your desk, and if you unfold it, it will be this net here. And remember, the net is the 2D of the 3D figure. Okay, so I'm going to shade my two bases, which are going to be here and here. Okay, now it says the first thing to do is name the solid. So we're going to put that down here. This is a triangular prism. Okay, it says identify the shape of the bases, and we've already shaded those in. So we're going to put triangles, plural, because there are two. Okay, we labeled and we're colored them. Okay, all right, and we're going to label the dimensions of the nets. Okay, so let's label the dimensions here. So as I stated, go in between the two dots. So there's 1, 2, 3 is my dimension here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is my dimension here. Okay, on this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is a 1, 2, 3 by 4. Okay. All right, so right now I'm going to pause here, and I want you to tell me how many faces there are, and also find the area of each face and write it on top of the face. Okay. Okay, so you see here, I've already found the lateral faces. The area of the lateral faces here, we do 4 times 3, and you should have gotten 12. And we did 4 times 4, and you should have gotten 16 for this one. And this one is also, when you fold it up, these two right here will be equal. Okay, so now for our bases, we have 1, 2 as my dimension here, and the height is going to be 2. So to find the area of this one, we're going to take half of the base, which is the base of this triangle, would be this 4 right here. That's the base, times whatever my height is, which is 2. Okay, so we have 1/2 of 8. So 1/2 of 8 is going to be what? 4. Okay, so if this one's 4, this one also is going to be 4. Okay, so now we're ready to answer our question here. How many faces are in the net? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we just found the area of each face, and we wrote it on top of the face. So now we're going to find, you can either do the total surface area first, or you can do the lateral surface area first. It doesn't really matter. I like to start with the lateral because that gets me, now, like I said, it does not matter which one you start with, but I like to start with the lateral. That way, I mean, for me, I feel like you should, it gets you to know what the lateral faces are on your prism. Okay, gets you familiar with that because you've already shaded in the bases. I mean, either way, like I said, either way you can start with doing the total or you can do the lateral. Okay, but I'm going to do the lateral first. So what I would do to find my lateral surface area, I would do 12 plus 12 plus 16. Okay, so 6 plus 2 would give me 8. 8 plus 2 would give me 10. Carry my 1, so that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. So my lateral surface area would be 40 units squared. Okay, so that's my lateral. So with my total, I always said that your total is always going to be more than your lateral because it is adding in the lateral surface area plus whatever my bases are. Okay, so I have 2 bases and I have them as 4 plus 4, which will give me 8. So if I add 8 to 40, my total surface area will be 48 units squared. Okay, so now the U try here. So what I want you to do is I want you and your partner to try this one on your own, and then we're going to check this one out. Okay, so you're going to do all this work by yourself. Okay, we just did lateral and total surface area of triangular prisms, and always remember that prisms have 2 parallel bases and they are named by the shape of their base.